Not afraid to close my eyes. I took it for everyone. And love is the price.